Boxing! We like boxing! We like boxing! We like boxing!
To say thank you to the team at Dream Impact and Inspire. They've been amazing at Gunbalanya. We're really grateful to have them. They are motivating, they are committed. Our kids just love it. So well done, guys. We hope to see you back here soon.
Our teachers have had nothing but positive things to say. For us here at Gunbalanya School, the most important part about all of this has been to accentuate our message around wellbeing, emotional regulation. And it's something that's definitely come through strongly through this whole workshop. So guys, thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.
We really enjoyed it. The kids learnt a lot, very physical and also emotional learning for them, I guess. They were able to control their emotions in the ring, and you taught them some really good skills.